Welcome back. So just a recap of what I was talking about a little earlier. We have a 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander. The paint code is 1L6, I believe. Yeah, 1L6. It's a new code, new color. It's a pastel, solid. So this video isn't really anything special. I just haven't painted this color. And these pastels, some of them are a little harder to blend. So I guess we're gonna be doing this together. We have a blend panel on this door. The customer paid to fix that dent, so we're gonna have to bring our color out a little further than I normally like. We've got some repair on the hood. We've got a brand new OEM bumper and a brand new OEM fender. Everything's been done so far. Fender prepped out 320. Bumper with the gray Scotch-Brite, and then the rest of the panels. Look through some old videos. In the last video, I talk a little bit about what grits I use in my blends and etc. So, yeah, I'm gonna set the GoPro up, and we're just gonna paint this together. If I come across any problems, I'll stop the film and we'll chat about it, but this is gonna be from top to bottom like any of my other paint jobs, except I've never done this color. So let's get it all, see, I've already wiped it down, tacked it off. Let's just get it, use the stat gun on it, get our suit going, and fire up the booth, and let's go.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Welcome everyone. Let's check out our finished product. Alright, so this color wasn't as bad as I was anticipating. I kind of lied to you too. There is a small amount of pearl in this, but it's so small that it's really unrecognizable. I couldn't even tell this thing had any pearl. Yeah, so 1L6 was the paint code. This wasn't a bad pastel like I just said. Maybe I'll do some other ones, some lighter ones. There's a couple other problem colors that are pastels that I'd really like to get on video and walk you through, because even some of them I still struggle with today. So yeah, simple video, new color. I never sprayed it. Thanks for watching, guys.